Hello, dear friends. In this video, we will take a look at the top 5 companies that have gained the most value in 2024. Before diving into the video, I want to emphasize that my goal in preparing this content is not to provide investment advice but to simply inform you, broaden your perspective on investing, and help you shape your future financial decisions. Remember, this video is not an investment recommendation. Always invest only what you can afford to lose, staying true to your own risk analysis, strategy, and interests. If you want to discover new companies in just a few minutes, learn about their business, understand their fundamental analysis, and deepen your knowledge in investing while enjoying the process, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for upcoming videos. That way, you will be the first to get notified about new videos and have the opportunity to invest ahead of others. Because those who discover these companies first often make the biggest profits. At the end of this video, I will also explain how you can receive up to $30 worth of free cryptocurrency or stocks, so make sure to watch until the end. If you have subscribed, let's begin. At number 5 on our list, we have Red Cat Holdings Incorporated. Red Cat is a company that provides services and solutions in the drone industry, including distributed data storage and analytics. The company has even announced a new partnership with Palantir Technologies Incorporated to integrate visual navigation software into its drones. In 2024, Red Cat stock experienced an astonishing 1,360.2% increase, driven by growing interest in the drone industry and this new partnership. As of now, Red Cat's latest closing stock price is $8.71 per share. At number 4, we have Sezzle Incorporated, a financial technology company specializing in buy now, pay later (BNPL) transactions. Sezzle collaborates with major retailers such as Amazon, Walmart, and Target. In 2024, the company's stock saw an incredible 1,439% increase. In the third quarter, Sezzle reported a 71% growth in revenue, reaching $70 million, while consumer shopping frequency surged 5.4 times. The company has revised its 2024 sales growth forecast to 55% and its earnings per share estimate to $9.80. As of the last market close, Sezzle's stock price stood at $232.72 per share. At number 3, we have a company from a completely different sector. Rigetti Computing Incorporated, which provides quantum computing services and manufactures quantum computers, processors, and other core components, is our next pick. The company plans to introduce a 100-qubit quantum computing system by the end of 2025. In 2024, Rigetti Computing stock surged by 1,441.4%, nearly 15 times, fueled by advancements in quantum computing and the company's ambitious plans. As of yesterday, Rigetti Computing stock closed at $12.30 per share. Our list is getting more exciting. At number 2, we have Quantum Computing Incorporated, a company that develops quantum and quantum-inspired computing algorithms and solutions for solving complex problems. This company is still in its early stages in the quantum computing industry, competing with major tech firms. In 2024, quantum computing stock skyrocketed by 1,718.6%, reflecting the increasing interest and potential in quantum computing. In Q3 2024, the company reported $101,000 in revenue and a net loss of $5.7 million, with revenue doubling compared to the previous year. The stock's most recent closing price was $10 per share. Before revealing the number 1 company on our list, let's do a quick calculation. If you had invested $1,000 in Red Cat at the beginning of 2024, your investment would now be worth $13,600. If you had invested in Sezzle, your $1,000 would have turned into $14,390. Investing in Rigetti Computing would have increased your money to $14,410, while quantum computing would have grown your investment to $17,180. The purpose of highlighting this is to show the power of investing. Smartly taking risks can completely transform your life. Now, let's reveal the number 1 company on our list. At the top spot, we have GeneDx Holdings Corporation. GeneDx is a healthcare technology company specializing in genomic data analysis and diagnostics. Its primary focus is on exome and genome testing to provide complex genetic insights. In 2024, GeneDx's stock surged by approximately 2,700%. One of the key drivers behind this growth was the U.S. Food and Drug Administration's (FDA) new guidelines on AI use in medical device development. In Q3 2024, GeneDx reported a 44% increase in sales, while analysts project a 137% profit growth for the company by 2025. The latest closing price for GeneDx's stock was $77.86 per share. If you had invested $1,000 in this company a year ago, your investment would now be worth $27,000. If you had invested $1,000 in each of these 5 companies, making a total investment of $5,000, your portfolio would now be worth $86,580. Now, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, if you want to receive up to $30 worth of free cryptocurrency or stocks, you can register on the Quantfury platform using the link provided in this video's description. Quantfury allows you to trade stocks and crypto at real-time global exchange prices with no fees. They also offer free stocks or cryptocurrency to new users upon registration. However, it is essential to enter the invite code mentioned in the description, as it will be required during registration. If you do not enter the invite code, you will not receive the free stocks or cryptocurrency. Finally, if this video has changed your perspective on investing even slightly, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you can stay updated on my new videos, which I post every Tuesday and Saturday. Take care, and remember, the $100 investment you make today could improve your life 100 times over in the next 10 years.